You like tiramisu that much, huh? Me too. So let's watch. Easy and of course delicious one. First we are starting making of cream. 3 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoon flour, 2 teaspoon vanilla powder, and 4 tablespoon sugar. Mixing well. We are cooking it until it's boiling. We put it aside and add 1 tablespoon butter. After mixing well, we put it aside to cool it down. Now we are passing to making its cake layer. We are separating the egg white from the yolk. Two eggs, a little salt. We are mixing the egg white with mixer until it became solid. We are adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to the egg yolk. After mixing well, we are adding 1 coffee cup of warm water. It should not be hot. Three tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, adding more flour carefully. In total, I used half glass of flour. Setting the heat between 175 to 180 centigrade degree and with bottom and up in fanless setting. We are adding mixed egg whites to the cocoa cake mixture. We add it little by little. That makes the cake really soft. After nearly 10 to 15 minutes cooking, it will be ready. We'll check it out. Now our cream is cooled down and we are adding the labneh cheese and mixing. Now we are preparing the coffee syrup of the cake. 2 dessertspoons of coffee, 2 dessertspoons of sugar, and it's really up to your taste. You can add more or less sugar and coffee. And with hot water we are mixing just like making the coffee. Our cake is ready. We are splitting it into 2 pieces from the middle and we lay the layers. We are making each layer wet with the coffee syrup. Layer 1 is completed. Now layer 2. We are sprinkle cocoa. It will rest in the fridge 1 or 2 hours. After 2 hours, it is ready. It's really delicious. I strongly recommend you to do it. Bon appetit!